guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you some of my favorite lip colors that I have been loving at the moment. We're gonna start off with this Hola Violet liquid lipstick in the color DF. I got it in my Ipsy bag a while back and I just been loving this color. It's just so soft and just amazing, and slides down just amazing on your lips, and it's kind of like a nudie kind of color. I've been using it a lot lately and it's just an amazing color that goes great with any look. Next we're going to go in with the I lluvsarah and the Colourpop 951. I just think this is the perfect nudie lip color. If you're trying to get in nude colors, this would be perfect to start out with. Amazing with every look. And with my Milani color, I'm not sure of the name, but I'll link it down below. This is just an amazing brown color that I just love whenever I'm feeling like I want some brown lips. This is the color I reach for, and it just dries matte and it stays on for a while as well. As y'all can see, it's just a perfect matte color. Next with this Smashbox Babe Alert, it's a pinky kind of tone, but I just love it. I also got it in my Ipsy bag. I just love getting lip colors in my Ipsy bags so I can just try them and see how they look. Another of my favorite from I lluvsarah and Colourpop is this Softy color. It's just amazing. It has like a little bit of hint of brown in it, but not too much, and it just goes amazing with any eye look color that you're trying to go for and you just don't want to overdo it with your lip color. This would be amazing with that. This also from the Bees. I can't say the first name, but it's just an amazing kind of glossy lip. I call it lip gloss because it has a little bit of hint of purple in it, but not too much. But it's just great for those winter days when you just want like a little bit of color, not too much. It's amazing. We're gonna go in with my Wet n Wild matte lipstick and the Nudies Peach. I just love this. Like the colors, the name says it, everything for the color. It's just an amazing peachy kind of lip color that goes amazing with everything. I mean, everything just goes good with everything. This one from Milani, I know what you're thinking. You're probably like, girl, can be your foundation, but I love this color because I can add a lip gloss on top of it and it just makes everything just better. And I had this one from Dolly, which I also got in my Ipsy bag. I just love it, and now y'all can see that it makes that color pop even more. And with my Wet n Wild one, I love this for the days that you're just trying to create a simple eye look, but you fill in a little bit atrevida. This would be the perfect lip color. I love this color because you can add more as you go, just to build it up, and the more you go over it, the darker it gets. It's kind of like a violety color. I call it my Gothic color, but also my atrevida color as well, because then your lips are like the center of attention, and I just love the color. And with my Milani Double Espresso, I love this brown tone color. It's just the perfect brown with a perfect shimmer for those holiday parties that, you know, Christmas parties, Thanksgiving parties. It's just amazing color as well with any nude or simple look. Another kind of gothic-y color as well would be this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink. I love these matte inks. I love them so much because they stay on all day long. I can put it on in the morning for work, and when I come back home or getting ready to go to sleep, I still have some of this color on my lips. It's just an amazing